Yo, my diaspora people, Imo lights, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you, if not the best, layouts and estates in Imo State. After this estate, you now see the likes of Udenwa Estate and then Royal Garden and other estates here in Owerri town. This is for me, with my assessment, Civic Center layout / estate is the best. This is where you see the likes of the ex-governor, ex-minister, ex-senate. This is where all of them are, right? Yeah, so I want you to take your time to watch this video and let me know what you observe. So recently they started doing the roads. The roads was not like this before. It was very bad like Udenwa, but you know that Udenwa estates, they have done the roads. So recently they started doing these roads and it's been coming out nice. Most of my reviews I'm getting about this estate, most people think it's abroad, right? Yeah, thinks this is abroad, yeah. So let me know your view about this estate. A plot of land in this estate, I just wanted to guess how much it's selling for. You'll be surprised. 500 million naira. That 500 million naira can buy you, in the same Owerri, can buy you 5 houses, different locations. That's 100 million naira each in different locations. But here it can buy you just a land. So you can imagine how much a duplex will be selling here. It's over 1 billion naira. Yeah, that's why I said it's one of the best, if not the best. Yeah, if not the best in the whole Owerri. Yeah, so you can see the names of the streets, and like I told you, if you look at this road, you can see it's newly paved. Yeah, it's newly paved, and they have not done the markings and so just in case you want to know, if you're looking to buy land in Owerri or buy house in Owerri, I am your sure plug. We have lots of properties, genuine properties right here in Owerri that you can actually buy and have peace of mind. Yeah. So if your budget is between 15 million to 500 million for land, we can get you something very nice. Then if your budget is from bungalow, just let's say between 60 million to 150 million for bungalow, then for duplex between 90 million to 1.5 billion for duplex, who can actually get you something very nice that you're gonna love. Taking a look at this part of this estate, you will definitely agree with me that it looks like abroad, right? Yeah. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I was very impressed when I, first got here, because it's lovely. It's lovely. My Imo lights in the diaspora, even if you don't want to invest in Imo, I think you should rethink about it, because if you don't invest in your city, you end up going to someone else's city to invest and leave. It's just how it is. Just like you're in the diaspora, you're working your ass off just to make, ends meet, or just to grow your wealth. You can grow your wealth also with real estate. That's making your money work for you. You can go into land banking, like locations like Ngobala. We have mass land that you can, start your own estate. If you can be able to acquire 50 to 100 plots, you can start your own estate, and you can buy a plot of land there as low as 1.8 million right now. As of last year, it was selling for as low as 600 to 800,000. But since Ebukobi entered the city, it went up. I'm talking about virgin lands. So, estate lands already is selling over 3 million naira. So, virgin land is half the price, right? So, if you can be able to acquire as much as possible, you can start your own estate and grow your wealth. You don't necessarily need to work every time to make money. If you buy those lands for 1 point something million and turn it to an estate, you can start selling for 2.5 million and above, and which you can sell as high as 10 million in the future. So let me know if you like this estate. Leave a comment below, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, have a lovely day. See ya.